This paper is rectangle shape. This paper is also rectangle shape. The color is different. This is pink, this is brown. Now let me fold this paper and make a craft work for you. First you diagonally this way, then again this way. This line should be this way, then fold this way, then fold this way. So you can draw bird's eye. This is the bird's eye, and this will look like a flying bird. See? If I fold this way, see, this will look like a flying bird. See? Simple. Again, let me press this way. Again. First this way. Both these ends are same. Then another fold. This should be same. These ends should be same. The edges, you should try to put the edges equal. See, then just one fold, then another fold. Okay, now this becomes a bird. This becomes a bird. This is the bird's eye, beak, and this bird's wings. Simple.